The Youth Environmental Alliance Incorporated, also known as YEA, is a nonprofit organization that is celebrating over 10 years of service to the South Florida community. Our mission is to deliver education programs and facilitate participation in environmental activities to diverse persons of all abilities. Our vision is to form an alliance of individuals and organizations to expand the scope, diversity, and quality of environmental education and outdoor recreation programs for all. Are you indoors at school or other venue? You can experience the outside inside by asking YEA to bring a program to you. You will experience exciting new ways to learn in a fun and challenging atmosphere. Depending on the class, you could turn inside out during the question about digestion. Get hooked on fishing, not on drugs, during a fishing program. Break into spontaneous dance during the See and Me Prevent a CO2 calamity. Wiggle your way through sustainability during the wonderful world of wiggly worms. Use your smartphone to solve water usage challenges as you become environmental stewards, or even get a tasty snack during one of our many other programs. YEA offers corporations, municipalities, schools, scouts, and other volunteers the opportunity to participate in restoration events, which foster leadership, fellowship, stewardship, and ethics. You can also create custom programs tailored around specific subjects and activities, focused on instilling the type of culture you want to promote within your group or community. Maybe you would rather set sail on a sea of self-empowerment as a participant in our Sailing for Success program. The Sailing for Success program opens up the world of sailing to those individuals that may otherwise never experience it. Our sailboats are specially designed to be fully accessible and safe and can be modified to accommodate virtually any form of physical challenge. With YEA, you get connected to the environment and each other. Visit yeafrog.org to take action by either scheduling an engaging learning experience, by joining one of our restorations as an individual, family, class, group, or municipality or corporate partner, by joining our team as a volunteer, or by donating. We have something for everyone, no matter the age or ability.